guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look we're doing today, and I got it using the Huda Beauty Rich Nude palette. And these shades don't have any names, so I'm just going to be pointing to the shade and then applying it to my eye. So if you want me to be completely honest with you, I hated how this look turned out. After doing this video, I was going to return the palette, but I was like, I spent $31 on this bad boy. That's with tax included. Base price is $29, I believe. Anyway, I was going to return it after this, but I know that different eyeshadows perform differently when you use different techniques. So in this video, I was just using my concealer as an eyeshadow base, and then I powdered it, and then I was applying the shades, and I noticed that the darker shades in particular were not blending out. Like when I tell you I was doing this look for a good 2 hours and a majority of it was blending, because I only used like 4 colors, they would not blend out. But I do have another video coming up. I think I'm probably going to upload it after this one, where I used my concealer, but I just didn't powder it, so I applied the shadows on a wet base. And can I please tell you how much better the look came out? Like, it was beautiful. But this one took me a minute, and honestly the blend is not as good as I wanted it to be. And you know, sometimes higher end shadows, it just seems like you have to put in more work sometimes. Like Huda Beauty is not cheap. You know, her rose gold palette was like $60 something. I did have that, and then I sold it because you know, I try to revamp my makeup collection. I don't want to hoard things, so I sold that. And then, you know, I like that palette. I didn't buy the Desert Dusk one, and I didn't buy Mercury Retrograde, but I was like, oh, these little palettes look cute because, you know, they're smaller, they're cheaper, but you can still get a complete look. But this look took me a minute, and like I said, I just had a really bad taste in my mouth for this palette after it. But I was like, you know what, let me just give it another try. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video, and turn on that bell notification. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? I'm just sitting here eating my or drinking my Health Nut tropical smoothie, or tropical smoothie health nut smoothie, or a smoothie from Tropical Smoothie Cafe, and the name of it is Health Nut. So, the shimmers in this palette, though, the shimmers work great. Now they have to be on a wet base, so that's why you saw me cut half my crease with some concealer. So I did use a shimmer, and it worked well on a brush, but they work the best with your finger. And for some reason, I didn't record doing my bottom lash line, so pretty much all I did was use the exact same colors on my bottom lash line that are on the top. And then for my liner, I used the IT Cosmetics Superhero eyeliner. So yeah, I think this is pretty much it for the video. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now and enjoy my smoothie. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box. Oh my god, I think I'm getting sick. So you don't miss any more content from me, and I hope to see you in the next video.